Okay, now we want to talk about how do you actually make money with a Max micro franchise. How do we go about, what's the process, and is there money to be earned? And of course there is. On its first slide, it'll show you one of 4 different ways we make money. Actually, if you look at the Max compensation plan, it will show you 9. We've just consolidated them, condensed them down into these 4 to help you understand them a little better. First, we have fast start profits. If you go out and you sell the product at retail, you earn a commission. It's about $16. The second is wholesale customers. Now, a customer can become what we call a preferred customer. That's our wholesale customers. And when they do, every time they buy an item, any product from Max, you will receive $17.25 the next week. So if you have 10 of those people, then you're making $170 a month. Pays for your product, basically. So it's not hard to do. The third one is team partners. There are specific packages that help you get started. Whenever you help someone else enroll as one of your team partners, then what happens is the company, depending on which pack you purchase, will send you a thank you bonus, so to speak, a fast start bonus within a week. The first one is called a business pack. Now, Max calls it a diamond pack. We call it a business pack, just easier to understand. A business pack, every time you enroll someone who purchases a business pack to get started, this is their business in a box. It's the franchise in a box. This is where you get all of the details that you need. You'll get products, you will get CDs and DVDs and brochures, and you also get a wonderful training program by Steve Scott, which we'll talk about later. So you will receive $225. The person who enrolled you will receive $50. So the company actually pays out $275 on that package. The other pack is called a 10-pack. Max International calls it a super achiever. We just think 10-pack's easier because it's got 10 boxes of product in it. And that's all that's in it, nothing else. But that's a great way to get started, get product out to the people that you're talking to so that they can get out and you'll start getting testimonials. Let me just give you some statistics very quickly about that. Basically, you're going to see 10% of the people, 1 out of 10, are going to have a dramatic result in about a day. 30% or 3 out of 10 will have good results in about a week, and then 8 out of 10 in a month, 30 days, and 9 out of 10 in 60 days. And the 10% that didn't probably didn't take the product properly. Now, that's not true all across the board, but it does, most of the time that's true. So the home pack, basically, that's for you. That's for you and to keep in your house, use yourself, because you've got to have product of your own. So these ways are how money comes in quickly. This is the way you can start a business. Myself, personally, I made about $1,500 or more in my first month because I was able to sell a good many of these packs when I signed people up. So it's a great way to get good, fast money. The next one, well, let me explain the different colors in this illustration for you. The dark blue are your personally sponsored partners, which are Lou, Ed, and Carol in the illustration. The lighter blue, Liz, is under Ed because he enrolled her. Now the dark red represents someone above you in the partnership line. That's the question mark, because we don't know who that is. It could be several people above you. It could be the person directly above you. And Mike was enrolled by that person. So you see, in the binary system, you only have 2 possible places to put your first 2 partners, and after that, you're forced to put others you enroll, such as Carol, under those who are already enrolled. However, those partners above you are also forced to place new partners in an open spot somewhere in one of the binary team legs. And the first open spot for our question mark was where Mike landed. Well, this is a very good thing because now Mike's product volume each month will be added to Lou's and to yours and to the question marks and anybody else above. This means everyone is helping everyone else below them as they grow their business by having to put people under them, and it happens automatically. Building teams is where the long-term money comes in. What happens is, as you begin to bring others into your business team and they begin their own micro franchises, the company allows you to share in all of their volume, all of the sales that they produce. The company will divide those, and you get to decide where they go, into 2 separate teams. It's called a binary team system. And all that means is you may have 3 on your left and 2 on your right, and again, you decide that. But then at the end of each month, the computer will add up the money, and whichever side, whichever team, right or left team, has produced the most volume of sales, That's called your strong team. Whichever one had the least is called your pay team, and you're paid 10% of that smaller team, whichever has the least volume. So if you have 15,000 on one side and 10,000 on the other, the 10,000 is your pay team, and you get 10% of that, or $1,000. Pretty simple. The difference between the two is held in what's called an escrow account, and it sits there because at some point they may switch sides. Those teams may switch sides. Perhaps the next month the right has 15,000 and the left has 10,000. The computer will go get that 5,000 and match it up with, so that you have 15 and 15, and then you get paid on that. So you never lose that extra money. It's always sitting there for you to go get later. It's a great, great system. Very, very fair. Now, people say, well, 10% isn't much. This is only one of the multiple payouts. And remember, you can make up to $40,000 a month just off that binary team payout. So it can be very lucrative. Let's look at the matching check bonus again. In our illustration, you see your personal partners that you have sponsored, Lou, Ed, and Carol, as well as Ed's partner, Liz. They have all earned income from the binary team payout. That's the numbers you see inside their little circles there. You will receive up to 50% of what your personally sponsored partners earn. That would be Lou, Ed, and Carol. And you'll receive 10% of what their enrollees or their partners on their first level earn, which would be Liz. However, Mike is not shown in this matching check illustration because he is not part of your personally sponsored team. He's a part of our question marks team. So Mike is a part of your binary, but he is not a part of your matching check line. Say that you enrolled me and I made $1,000 off the binary. You know, I had the scenario that we're looking there at 15,000, 10,000. I made 10% of the 10,000. I earned $1,000. Well, because you enrolled me, that means that I'm on your first line in the matching check bonus, and I know this can be confusing. Don't worry, we have many ways for you to learn this. That means that you can make anywhere from 25 to 50% of what I earned from my binary team. Well, if I earned $1,000 and you're at the 50% level, you just earned $500 off of my $1,000. Now, I don't give that to you, the company gives that to you. That's the long-term money because there's no limit to how many people you can earn that bonus off of, because there's no limit to the number of people you can personally enroll as partners in your franchise business. Okay, let's look at the next slide here. The global sales profit sharing. This basically means that the company takes a percentage of the sales and then they will divide it into different pools. And then they will divide that up for anyone who grows their business in their smaller leg by $1,000. That means if I had 10,000 last month, I have 11,000 this month, I get a share in that pool. Average shares are anywhere from $100 to $500 depending on where you are. But I want to concentrate on the first one here. Most companies, they say, oh, look, you've got to work for us for a long time, or you've got to produce X amount before we're ever going to give you any profit sharing. You can start earning this profit sharing in your second month in the business just by increasing your volume $1,000. And it's not you going out and selling that, it's your entire binary team. So again, the team comes into play in a wonderful way for this payout. And at the bottom of this slide, you'll see where it says, if you purchase the business pack, the diamond pack, within your first 60 days, all the shares will be doubled in every one of these pools for the life of your time in Max. That is a tremendous, tremendous payout. So if you're spending less than $1,000 for your business pack, it's paid over many, 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 many times. And just a tremendous, tremendous payout. So next, we see the luxury car bonus. Luxury car bonus simply means as you go up in your levels, in your business levels, you'll be awarded monthly cash benefits of anywhere from $500 to $1,500 so that you can go purchase the luxury car of your choice. Really, really a tremendous, tremendous payout. And it takes a while to get there, but when you do, basically you've got a new car for the rest of your life, whichever one you want. Okay? Next, we're going to talk about how do we actually build the business. It's great to talk about all the finances, but how do we actually build it? That's next.